Now also notice that our area percent looks like it's worked just fine. As a matter of fact, you'll also notice that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns from the left, there's another area percent column. That is the native area percent column that's automatically calculated by the software, and all we are doing is viewing that area percent. I do this so that you will see that if you do it in a custom calculation file versus having the software natively do it, it gives you the exact same numerical values, down to the decimal points. Also notice that our USP resolution, that pass failing, is all failing. But I'm not buying it yet. I want to make sure that the numerical values are being calculated properly. Now, those numerical values, I should be able to view those numerical values in this injection results. But currently, I don't have those as one of the columns to view, but I can easily resolve that. In this injection results table down below, immediately to the left of the number sign column, where it goes from 1 to 4 as far as rows, there is an icon that is 2 columns with a plus to the right of that right column. You might have overlooked that icon had you not actually been looking for it. If you click on that icon, this is a column chooser icon, and it opens up all of the various columns that are available to be viewed in this injection result table. Now I can use my scroll bar on the right and scroll all the way down to where it says resolve.usp. And I can click the box to the left of that, and it will now populate for me, and then click OK. It will now show me that USP resolution column. And if you're viewing that in your virtual image, you might see that there are no numerical values being calculated here. And for those of you that joined me last week in the data analysis, you'll remember I said one of the reasons that this happens is that by default, we do not turn on the system suitability calculations. And the reason we don't do that is because every single lab I go into has a different way that they define how to do a USP calculation. So we didn't, or excuse me, even a system suitability calculation. So we don't want to turn on things that are going to be a drain on resources, on RAM, on services, on disk space, when we know you're going to have to redefine it anyway. So we don't even turn it on by default.